Where's Coachy? There he is. Today is, what's today? February the 15th. 2021. As we're closing in on spring.
Mom Valentine's to be there. Here's your dad. What's wrong? Linda, make a snowball.
Hey, here's the thing. Hey, don't eat yellow snow.
Well, I think, oh,
Did Coach do that?
Yeah.
Just over there.
I wonder if Pussycat would like to come out. I don't think you want to come out. Coach, did you make yellow snow?
hello. Here's the snowboard.
Yeah, I see his tracks.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Coach's yellow snow.
I want to get in the hot tub once he gets there. People probably think we're crazy, though.
I'm telling you, this is North Pole weather right here. It is so cold. Oh my gosh, the wind. Jeez. Supposed to do this a few more hours.
Go, Window, go. Ready to take a break and come now? We could really have like a snowball war in a little bit. Are you having fun, Mama? What do you see? Oh, you ready, Becky? You ready? Yeah. Come back out.
Look at Coach. Coach barely making it.
He's going to have to shake really good.
Come on, you ready? You can't get on the
Oh man, this is.
Your daddy will like I don't know.
Come on, Coach. You want to go outside?
I haven't been this cold in a long time.
Ready to go back in?
These last few days.
Let's go. Bye-bye. Come on, Window.
Come on.
Come on.
Go.
Come on. I don't know if she's going to come, babe.
I think she likes the snow.
Come on, Willow. Come on.
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We'll come back out once it stops snowing. Come on. Come on, baby. Yeah.
There she goes.
I got it. Go get Coach. Go get the cat. You see the cat?
Come on, let's get the kitty.
Let's go get the kitty. Meow.
Coach, you need to shake.
I got this towel right.
Okay. We got number one down. I'll come do
Woo.
it a little bit.
You need another towel.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, Coach.
that was fun. Come here. Really?
No, you come inside and shake. You couldn't shake outside.
Look.
Try to get these gloves on. Oh, she has snow on her jacket.
Believe me, River, you don't want outside.
It's just water, baby.
Yeah, I know.
Whew.
At least we got a fire going.
Man, yeah. I love that fireplace.
That was my first snow experience. Let's see.
I don't see how people up in Canada do this for 6 months.
I don't either.
Why? Never know. See, I don't know how to get the snow off. Here, let mommy take your shoes off. Sit, sit. The cold? No. There. You good now? There. Like nothing ever happened. See, I wasn't ready to come back in.
How about you, Coach? Oh, yeah.
was fun.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get in a hot tub with me when she takes it out?
That'd be fun to get in the hot tub.
I think we should try it. She takes it over now.
Man.
We got some cool stuff going, yeah.
You have it all the way up though, don't you? Like the 104?
Whew, man.
So Will was like, that was fun. What's that? I don't know what's in that cup, baby. Did she waste it?
Yeah, she spilled it all.
Okay.
Hey, kitty cat. Come on. Come on up.
Oh, got on the cracker, look. Okay.
Coach is eating that cat food. Coach,
Ready
quit eating the
lunch?
cat food.
Want some lunch?
Hey, would you put the cat food up on?
Cat! Where's the cat at? That's
You talking to me?
Yeah, I'm still filming. Put the cat food like out of the garage. So he won't eat it because he'll puke it up.
Here, you want a breakfast for lunch? Go to early for lunch for them. Here, baby. Come on. Let's eat these. Come on.
When's your furniture getting here?
End of February. The very end of February.
What's that? Oh no, don't. You can sit right there, baby. Sit right there.
Yeah, they said due to COVID, there's a lot of furniture. People are waiting 6 months to get it. Like mine was 3 months. You can't even hardly see the pond. It's so thick.
Shoot this picture. She likes those things. Where you going?